ito daw yung sagot sa tawag ng gutom.
And so since buy one take one, so tigda dalawa tayo.
Hi Andy!
Hi!
Nano, Babaw Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of we're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Kasama nga natin si Andy ngayon dahil nag-open ang Heihei dito sa Jumbo Jenra Mabalacat. So, there go guys, buy one take one ang mga burgers nila, even yung mga cheese dog, di ba?
Yes, chicken, crispy burger, and their classic burger, and you can avail their 11-piece fried chicken Heihei.
So guys, this is another brand or sister company ng Chooks to go. Ang favorite natin na chicken, nasa burger na guys. If you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Check it out!
Then guys, so si Heihei Chicken Burger is a sister company po ni Chooks to go. We all know Chooks to go, our go-to favorite chicken kapag meron tayong handaan, you know, quick meet up or gathering sa pamilya. Most of the time, ito na yung binibili natin para din na tayo mag-prepare. Now, they have come up with the new meal na talaga magugustuhan po natin. So meron tayong chicken burger, meron tayong crispy chicken burger, meron tayong cheese dog, and of course, meron pa rin tayong mga all-time favorite nating fried chicken. Guys, so an exclusive access dito po sa loob ng kanilang tindahan. Grabe yung pila sa labas, ang dami. Ang daming gustong sumubok ng Heihei Chicken Burger. Ayan. So ayun guys, ito daw yung sagot sa tawag ng gutom. Imagine guys, those meals are actually buy one take one forever. And then of course yung favorite natin chicken dito, meron silang fried for 11 pieces, 199 pesos only.
Guys, iniimbitahan ko kayo sa bagong store ng Heihei dito sa Pampanga. Kenny Nakabalen, manyaman ng Heihei. Sir Louie, enjoy your meal.
So this is one of the first two stores na nagbukas po dito sa Pampanga. This is located sa Jumbo Jenra Dau, Mabalacat, Pampanga. The other one na nagbukas naman for today is sa Santo Rosario, Angeles City. Now watch out mga taga San Fernando. They are coming for you, and yeah, we're gonna enjoy this buy one take one burgers forever. Wow! Thank you so much, Heihei. Isa na namang napaka-refreshing na umaga sa atin, no? So nandito tayo ngayon sa Artillery Park dito sa Clark.
So another place na pwedeng puntahan for you to have a break or gusto nyo mag-relax,
Yes.
mag-picnic,
And when you go here, guys, make sure to, you know, carry along with you your Chooks to go and yung mga
Heihei products
Heihei
natin.
sandwiches natin.
Yan. So for our Heihei, meron tayo ditong hot dogs. Yan. So since buy one take one, so tigda dalawa tayo. So nandito rin yung kanilang crispy chicken burger. Yan.
Tingnan na natin tong hot
Dog
dogs.
sandwich. Yan.
Imagine guys, for almost 20 pesos each. Kasi buy one take one tayo. Mabubusog ka na. Sabi nga ng tagline nila guys, ito yung sagot sa gutom mo. So this is again crispy chicken burger. Grabe Mark, no? So kanina nung pinuntahan natin yung Jumbo Jenra branch nila, ang daming nakapila.
Yeah.
Ang daming gustong sumbok ng kanilang mga burger. I mean, come to think of it, Chooks to go, very well known for their chicken, to come up with this burger.
Talagang papatukin nila.
Talagang pupuntahan guys. Siyempre, hindi naman papahuli yung Chooks natin. Isa sa mga favorite chicken natin. Ooh, chicken. Look at that. Ooh, there you go. No. Right, so there you have it guys. Congratulations Chooks to go and Heihei for coming up with another meal na talaga na mapagkakaguluhan na naman natin.
Yes, from chickens. So meron na rin tayong mga hotdog sandwich and burgers.
So guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, make sure to check out yung Heihei branch nila sa Jumbo Jenra, Mabalacat, Pampanga. You know, just search, for sure may malapit na Heihei store sa inyo.
And that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Thanks, Heihei.